Madam, well done. Madam, get beans.
No, my beans don't finish since.
What of stew and white rice?
Man, I say for me, I'm they go. Now which one will be this one now? Go. Which kind of sense is this one?
I know they go. I know they sell for credit.
I beg, carry your wallet, go. I beg.
Ah, bros. How are you?
Well done, sir.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. Well done. Hello, Mr. Man. Please stand up.
Meaning what?
Mr. Man, I said stand up now. I want to sit here.
No. Tell me, what do you mean?
I beg. You for just shift. This customer look very responsible. I beg make her treat am well. I beg you for just shift. I beg.
I'll go, madam. I'll go.
Customer, you dey vex.
Please don't do that again. Sit down there. This man.
I beg.
You get rice? Give me with chicken. You don't know my reputation. You just they misbehave. Most times you just get yourself into trouble.
Continue.
Madam, I beg, give me food now. I chop now.
Oga, you see this here? You see hardship? You see free food? You see credit? I reject it in my life. Oga, stand up. They go house.
Jay.
Oga Shebi Yaram. I know say life they're very rough.
Help us.
I know say go they very hard for you to trek because belly they empty. Just buy cold pure water. Support yourself.
There is God. God should descend. Today God will descend here.
But on this one, no be agrico. On this one, the chop dustbin.
Eh?
That taste. Madam. Madam. Nice food. Your food is awesome.
Thank you.
I just came to the environment newly, so I'm happy I'm meeting something like this. I give you 100%.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Bros, her food is wow. Like, so, madam, do you have a Bitcoin wallet?
Which one be Bitcoin wallet again, Oga?
I understand. Old age.
I don't get.
Okay. Any of them get Bitcoin wallet?
No, here na cash.
Okay, only cash.
Only cash.
No problem. So, madam, how do we do it? Okay, I bet you go mark my face when I go house. Because maybe tomorrow I will come over here, then I'll see what I can do.
Come, Oga, come.
What you say?
I get Bitcoin wallet. Come.
What?
You get see small children, don't they get Bitcoin wallet?
Now my pikin.
Hey, Pikin. See you. Madam. Now you get this Pikin. Madam, you be woman. Your eye they grand. So if I give you Bitcoin now, what you go is and do? Small Pikin like you.
I'm very small thing now. I'll just trade that with PU exchange.
You mean
Yes. They trade both gift card, Bitcoin. For WhatsApp, oh.
PU exchange?
Yes, now. No, they don't give me money.
You see, I'm very intelligent boy. Please, a round of applause for this boy. Don't see Pikin like this, they're very hard. The problem now be say, I hold the Bitcoin here, but my own wallet, they house. So, madam, that no be problem. Once I just go house now, I go bring my wallet, add them to my Bitcoin. Sharp. I forward that. Okay. So, my guy. Yeah! Madam, now you born this Pikin?
Now my pikin.
See height. Oh boy, you tall. Wow, tall boy. But I this one when they do like this, any problem?
The only problem there is anytime when don't they do like this, the whole world they shake.
Oh, bro, calm down.
Something
I'm a very humble person, babe. I didn't sit down, no fear.
You were not informed too.
Sit down, no. Hey. Good afternoon. How's the family now?
Now my family be this, my mama be this. She dey sell food.
Now your mother?
Now.
Oh, madam. And now I don't even know say na your son. The problem now be say, I don't go lie. My own Bitcoin. Because I don't know. Now this one.
1 kobo.
Okay, now 1 kobo be this.
1 kobo. Bitcoin.
Madam, you go collect 1 kobo.
Make you and my pikin make una two just settle.
You say me and you settle. So bros, as na Bitcoin matter, you go beat me. Yesterday they beat me for where I go chop free food. I'm shocked that I did it again. You understand? If you touch me hand, if not die.
Now because of this man now, I ain't come me for seat. Say the man they responsible. See him now.
Oga, how your body now? Now you go need that cold pure water so your body will calm down.
Hey! They never show you say the mumu. Sorry.
Write your name and your mark number. If I collect your script, there will be no room for that anymore. I will call on someone to invigilate this exam while I go attend to something, eh? Okay, sir. Be of your best behavior. Sabinus! Sabinus!
Yes, sir.
Okay. He will be in charge of this exam. You know he's your senior colleague. Take care of this exam, eh?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
attend to something.
No problem, sir.
Please be vigilant. Keep your eyes on them.
First of all, I don't condone malpractice. I won't be a participant of that. Young man, why are you smiling? You're smiling because you told someone to send Expo.
I go make
Get with you. That Expo.
it no matter wetin them talk, go say I go make am. I no go fit
Why
to
you shaking?
fake am. Me I dey my cruise, I'm steady moving, no dey fake am.
Oh, this is what you do. You pick at people's work, giraffe, right? This is what you came to school to do, right? That's what you came to school to do, right? And you allowed him. You're aligned.
Oh my God.
Ask about me. I don't condone my practice.
Okay.
See you next year.
I no go fit to fake am. Me I dey my cruise, I'm steady moving, no
Why
dey
you
fake
doing that?
am.
Am I the answer?
Me I dey
How
my
are you?
cruise, I'm steady moving.
How is the exam going?
Very fine, sir. My eyes are on them.
Yes. Sabinus.
Yes, sir.
Please, why is that guy's face like that?
The young man?
Yes.
That guy is a fool. So can you imagine that guy was doing malpractice? I caught him red-handed. And you know very well I don't condone malpractice, sir.
Yes.
I went over there, I tore his paper. What? And the girl he was copying from, I tore her paper also. You will come back next year.
You did what?
I tore the paper.
You tore his paper?
Yes.
Sabinus, do you know where you tore his paper?
Who are you? No, talk to me. Talk to me face to face.
Sabinus, that is the current leader of all the court groups in this school.
You were not informed too.
See, as I went outside, the deputy leader of all the court groups, he called me and told me that guy has written this course for 9 good times. They don't want to hear any rubbish. They want him to graduate. Now, Sabinus, you tore his paper.
He did not even tell me that he's a cultist. Because we know the teacher cut his paper.
I even tore his girlfriend's paper.
Hey, my girlfriend. But if I talk now, at least, nobody talk.
You are going to settle down with him, eh?
I don't know if you can get gum the paper.
You want to gum it. You settle it with him, eh?
Alone.
Alone. Please submit your papers. Stop following me.
Bring your paper.
Submit fast, eh?
Boss, good afternoon. How's the family?
Will you keep quiet?
Boss, you didn't reply.
Something
Oh, so you're the guy for the security job, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Good evening.
It's fine. It's fine. As you can see, this is a musical studio.
Wow.
We have a lot of them here, but I want this place secured.
Yes, ma'am. That's not a problem. With my knowledge in terms of security, I assure you this place is fully secured.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's your experience?
Actually, I worked in a zoo.
Ooh,
Zoo, yes.
nice.
As a security officer. Ma, it was radical.
Okay.
It was mad. Because I was in charge of lions, crocodile, elephants, all those wild animals. Because I'm wide. So they needed that wide person.
Good.
Most times when lion will do, I'll give you back.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
You understand?
I'm impressed.
Yes. Most times lion want to run away. I go into the bush and I catch it.
Wow.
Most times elephant will be like, moo. I'll be the one to hold the nose. But they sacked me.
Why?
That was the problem. Jealousy. Bird, pigeon, fowl. They were angry that I don't put my eyes on them. That I'm always putting my eyes on those wild animals. I told them, you're not my type. You're not my size. So my size is lion. I'm this kind of person that one lion comes out, I'll be like, come on, go inside. I talk to crocodile one-on-one.
Wow, you fought lion.
Yes.
Like Samson in the Bible.
Just that my own, they've not recorded it.
Ooh.
But I believe the next Bible, they will write it.
Nice,
Sabinus held lion. I held
We
it.
are good to go.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
good to go.
You're welcome.
So you can start your job immediately.
Sure,
Your
ma'am.
salary is 50,000 naira.
Madam, 50,000 is too much. I can take 20, but family issues is just what is making me to top it. I'm bringing that wide spirit into this company, and I'll secure this place with all my blood and soul.
That's all right. That's all right.
I really
Fine.
appreciate.
It's okay.
Just
make sure you do your work.
Sure.
I don't want to hear any complaints.
Sure, madam. I really appreciate. I really appreciate.
What are you doing here?
Oh.
Why are you so petty?
Madam.
I asked you not to come to my office. What is it?
I had enough time to wait for you. Please.
Get out!
Madam, give me my cash today. If not, I'm not leaving here.
I asked you not to come here.
Madam,
Get out.
I have been patient enough.
You're embarrassing me. I don't like this. Get out of my office.
If I don't get that money today in cash, I'm not leaving here today. Please.
Fine. What's your name again?
Sabinus.
Good. Mr. Sabinus.
Yes, ma'am.
Do your work now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Come here! I said take this man out of my office now!
Sure, man. Mr. Man, I don't care to know who you are. Do you hear me? I've dealt with lions, I've dealt with crocodiles, and I've dealt with elephants.
You don't even know.
In the wide kingdom, they know my face.
Just free.
It's a wide man. You're too small. I know what it cost me to get this job. I swear to Almighty God, they no born devil rich to make me a job who I don't get. Oga, come out for this. Sorry, madam. Mr. Man, out of this office. Young man, to avoid injury on your part, can you just step out of this office now? Before the count of 5. Please. I don't want to lose my job and I don't want to injure you. Oga, come out for this office.
Good.
Come out for this office. Come out for this.
Not be juju be that.
Mr. Man, what just happened?
Madam,
here?
they come.
I thought you said you carry lions.
Yes, ma'am. I handle lions, female lions, not male lions.
Go home.
Madam,
Go home.
Yes, ma'am. At least, madam, if you want to know my real power, bring jollof rice and goat meat. Give me am now. If I don't carry this guy,
You are sacked.
Hey! Madam, good afternoon. How is the family?
You don't even know the time. This is 8 a.m. in the morning. Get out.
Oh, now 8 a.m. Madam, now what? Hello?